Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on augmented reality, AR. In this video, we will discuss what is augmented reality, how it works, its applications, and its future. Augmented reality is an interactive experience where digital information is overlaid onto the real world. AR combines computer-generated images, videos, and sounds with real-world environments to create a mixed reality experience. AR can be experienced through various devices, including smartphones, tablets, and smart glasses. AR works by using sensors, cameras, and computer programs to detect and analyze the user's surroundings. The AR system then generates digital content and overlays it onto the real world in real time. The AR device tracks the user's movement and adjusts the digital content accordingly. This creates an immersive and interactive experience that enhances the user's perception of reality. Augmented reality has many applications in various fields, including education, entertainment, healthcare, and manufacturing. Here are some examples of how AR is used in these fields. Education. AR can be used to enhance the learning experience by providing interactive and engaging content. AR can be used to create virtual models of complex concepts, making it easier for students to understand and remember them. Entertainment. AR can be used to create immersive gaming experiences by overlaying digital content onto the real world. AR games such as Pokémon Go and Ingress have gained immense popularity in recent years. Healthcare. AR can be used to provide medical training and simulations. AR can be used to create virtual models of human anatomy, allowing medical professionals to practice surgical procedures. Manufacturing. AR can be used to improve efficiency and productivity in manufacturing processes. AR can be used to provide real-time information to workers, such as assembly instructions and quality control checks. The future of augmented reality looks promising. AR is expected to become more advanced and accessible in the coming years. Some of the trends that we can expect to see in AR are: AR in retail. AR can be used to enhance the shopping experience by providing virtual try-ons and product visualizations. AR in tourism. AR can be used to provide virtual tours of historical sites and landmarks. AR in sports. AR can be used to provide real-time statistics and analysis during sporting events. In conclusion, augmented reality is a technology that has the potential to revolutionize various fields. AR can provide immersive and interactive experiences that enhance our perception of reality. As AR becomes more advanced and accessible, we can expect to see its applications expand to various industries.